So where can you find the shared apps on the iPad? So a few things you might be interested in here. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So at first, I would go to the App Store and you can check out your profile section by clicking like the profile icon at the top right. So you can see like your account in here. It might take a while to load up, but inside of there, you'll be able to browse your apps and purchase history. So when you click on apps, you can see like your apps or someone else's, right? So you'll be able to see some people from your family sharing here as well, right? So that's already one thing. And also when you go to your all apps, you can decide if you want to see all of the apps and or those which were not downloaded on the iPad, but perhaps on other devices like with your Apple account. So in my case, I have an iPad here, which also uses the same Apple ID as my iPhone, like another device. And if I click on not on this iPad, it will show me the apps which I downloaded on my phone, but also can appear on my iPad, right? So it's like all together, but these were not on this one device. So that is something which you cannot do. Of course, you can also check out the settings, tapping on your profile at the top, and check out the family sharing situation. So you see how many subscriptions are shared with you and how many apps you downloaded or get access to because of you are part of that family. So that is something which you can find right here. I guess you might also be interested in that as well. So this is likely the thing you had in mind. If I didn't mention something very specific which you had on your mind, let me know about it below. It's likely I'll make more videos and updated video about it as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.